Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today our video is what is the solar controller and how many types of solar controller. So let's start. A solar controller is a device used in solar power system to manage the way solar panels charge the batteries. It ensures the batteries are charged correctly and safely, preventing them from being damaged by overcharging or undercharging. This helps extend the life of the batteries and make the solar system more efficient. So, types of solar controller. First off, we have the PWM or pulse width modulation controller. This type of controller is great for small solar system and is cost effective. It works by reducing the voltage of the solar panel to the battery voltage. Next, we have Mppt or maximum power point tracking controllers. These are more expensive but are more efficient than PWM controllers. They work by converting excess voltage into current, which is increase the charging efficiency of the battery. Third, we have the basic on-off controller. This type of controller is the most simple and least expensive. It works by turning off the solar panel when the battery is fully charged and turning it back on when it needs to be charged again. Finally, we have the hybrid solar controller. This type of controller combines both PWM and Mppt technologies to provide maximum efficiency. It's great for large solar system and can handle multiple sources of energy. So which one should you choose? Well, it depends on your needs and budget. If you have a small system and don't need to squeeze every last drop of power from your solar panels, then a PWM controller might be all you need. However, if you have a large system and want maximum efficiency, then a Mppt controller is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.